Now we will show you how to change display language from German to English on Mercedes-Benz A-Class, B-Class, C-Class with this type of steering wheel. This is a Mercedes-Benz A-Class 2015 without that big screen in the middle. So what you have to do is, if you can see, the display language is in German. So first you turn the key in position 1. You don't have to turn the ignition on. Then we will use those two arrow buttons from the left and right. Press on the left or right arrow button until you see Einstellungen, that means settings in English, on instrument cluster display. Okay, we pick Einstellung, we select Einstellung pressing the OK button. Then we press multiple times on the up or down arrow button to search for Sprache, that means language in German, and then we select the English language with the pressing on the OK button. So if you want to look for English language, you have to press multiple times on up or down arrow button to search the language you prefer. Okay, we look for English. Okay, we press OK for English. So for to exit menu, you have to press multiple times on return or back button, and that's it. So let's see the display language now. Trip audio assistance. So we managed to change the language from German to English.